based on my touch. It is need of something product, natural or technology, meaning to remove the fatness. Fatness it is. Fatness and then something such as this one no moving, it moves such this. It is being stretched. So meaning to say myself is truthfulness on a body posture of slim only. It is being stretched such this oh. Ooh. Oh, this is my face. I am pretty. I am Mrs. of Alex Co. Alex Anjamintisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Jamintisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. And then my eyebrow is such this. I am planning to do tattoo eyebrow. And then my talking is at Germany. I am a simple person only, but that is how myself uh, ambition on life. Ambitionish. Oh, that is part of my life. Ambitionish. Even though myself is college degree already, my ambition is intensity. I want chocolate. Myself is ambitionish. Here at the gate, ambitionish. Here at the Gig City, that is my personality. The hmm, Miko, I will talk. I like to put tattoo eyebrow on it. And then from Germany, my talking is to put oh, when I am such a what does that mean? No, no. What is that mean? I not want to think about it. That is me talking. May I usage this? Okay. And then, where am I talking? My face is such this. I want to put cream on it. Cream that will, such as an Ate Jessa, so that it could be stretch. Stretch of such as heighten, not being wider. Something such that. Cream. I don't know. And then, after cream that I think of myself is on uh, to use technology. I need to use technology because my life is only live once. That is why I want to use technology. That is my reason. I am not. I not like surgery. No, no surgery. Surgery, such as for uh, pointed nose. I am not such that. I am contentment, contentment. I am satisfied on my face, even though such this. It is fat, 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 fat. I saw it on Instagram. Warm. It is a liquid being wiped on face, and then the worm will comes out. That is in cheek product. It is good. I like it. I want to try it. And let me see. It's wrong. I am 29-year old already. But my when I am looking on my face and then such this face, I am thinking myself is such as 23-year old or 24-year old. But I am 29-year old. That is how I think of myself. And then, it is fat. Oh, this one as well. I just noticed it. Tada! Fat. Hmm. It is fat. Myself is fat. My body statistic is 43, 43, 42, and then 44. Um, I not want to say, I not want to say it. I feel shy when I say it. And then, oh, this one. This one is not my concern. I'm not bothered. This is Alex Jr. ko. My head is straight in there. And then, wow, there is someone putting this. And then, tada! At first, I feel shocks. And then, worry. What I did is removing it. But when my memory returned, when I saw the photo of Alex Jr. ko that has such this, I'm not bothered. Why should be? My lip. My lip, they removed this, oh. This one. And then I have such this. It is an in there. So I am talking on my camera video at the moment is my fat, being fat person. My fat is, I not want to show my tummy. Why? Because it is good if myself is pregnant and then showing my tummy and myself is not pregnant. That is why I not want to show my tummy. My tummy is bloated. Sometimes bloated, sometimes not. And then it is 42. And then when I squeeze it, when I inhale and then not exhale, I could sight abs. Myself is having abs on my exercise. One, two, three, three abs. First abs, one, two, and then the second abs is one count. When I squeeze it, when I'm not, when myself inhale and then not exhale, and then what is being improvement when it comes myself do exercise, African exercise. Why? Coach Kenny, that is 24. That is what myself guide when it comes into exercise. My belly fat is already vanished on the side. And then when I drink this, wait lang, where is that? Coca-Cola. When I drink Coca-Cola, it when I drink Coca-Cola, this day or previous day of April 10, myself did not exercise. Wait lang. It is one, April 3, 2025, I did exercise such this. And then, April 3 that is. Today is April 11, 2025. April 10, 2025, I could feel my belly is being returned on the side. And then I could not do exercise because I feel I have a fever. It is achieving because my belly fat on the side is being vanished when I did exercise. The African exercise is good. Oh no, hurting. The right eye is anger. Let me go. What else could I say? Mm, about fat. Oh, cellulite. Oh, my cellulite. It is been shows when I use Bath and Beauty, Bath and Organic. I not know, ko. I not know the title of the soap. But when I use it, there is cellulite on my thigh leg. Before has no cellulite. Ganda ko. I am pretty. I'm not a killer. I'm not a killer.
yung pagkain mo.
Ayan.
Yung, ito, dumalagas mo yung bodega, itong super ito. Para bibenta natin yan, ha?
I will just put my plate on the downstairs. Downstairs. What else on my fat? Never legs to. I never fat. It tends to fat. This one due to slapping ear. And then when I touch it, the bone is I could feel something sensitive. I could not English o kaya. I could not resist it when they talks and then they is angry person. I tends to slap it. And then I will let's go. My lip is heart shape. Oh, when it comes into my lip, sometimes it is fat and then sometimes it is not fat. My nose is such that I never cite drugs. That is how myself being goodness person. I not use drugs. What else? Cellulite. Oh, this one. I am on a situation of happy. But just tada, when it is. This is my, what you call this? Arm. This is arm, and then if it is, time, the moment not. Such that is my fat. Watery. Watery is my fat. I miss Lloyd. I misses Lloyd. Lloyd Dimson Salviejo is my high school classmate. Usually all of them I misses. Robilyn Rombawa is near on myself. Alex Jr. is near as well on myself. Lover Alex ko. I misses Alex Jr. ko. And then what else? Uh, my place as well is getting fat. That is sensitive to talk. It is sensitive to talk, but wanderer is me. What it is a fun. I just know that myself chest structure is American, and then from that thinking process, I am thinking of, is my lola is from America as well? I not know. When I say as well, on the life of Alex Jr. ko, America is natural. I not know. On my life, lola, American. I not know. Or in chick, I not know. Or matandang Filipina. I not know. My breast is my chest structure is circle, just like American. And then the level 2 of it is muscular. But what happened is watery. Ay, ko. I like that. I like it. Oh, the chest structure. Muscle. Ay, ko. Hanggang si Pumli. When I sight it, I like it. Natural. Being natural, I feel shy. I feel sweaty. Myself is sweaty. I am 29-year-old. Let's see. Myself is such only this. Really. Myself is it is starts when my mother is doing ponytail on myself. Grade school. Kaartehan. And then now what I think of is it is being shows. Being such as ooh, something such that. Is that bad? I not know. Amigo, never next. My lola, circle as well. Her chest structure. I not know what is there doing. Amigo. That is why I need to talk. Talk lang talk. What else could I say? Belly. Oh, the belly on myself when I lift it. I could breathe, but when I not lift it, I feel suffocates. And then the bad person on my thigh leg tends to put fat on my thigh leg. I don't know why. That is year 2022. Nothing wrong in there, being natural, and then that is the chest structure. On my life, they say if I did exercise of such this, it will be bigger size. But when I did that, not man. 30 to 34 is my waist, is my chest structure. Ganto only is me. I not want the 40 size. I like 34 size. I not know. I am dalagang Filipina even though myself is such this. But myself is traveler. What is being dalagang Filipina on myself? On my personality, I am serious. I am calm. Being dalagang Filipina, the word social is in there. Social and yet uh, afford. Hmm. Oh, I think of the existence of products here in Philippines, even though small or medium price, it is good to sight, presentable, the word presentable. And then if it is high, the attitude already of a person. But that is the truth. The attitude of the person that is looking is already on leveling. And then, oh, my inside of mouth in here is as well fat. The anesthesia is not mumuho pa ata. The anesthesia is not yet healed. I not know. It is fat. Fat in here. When I did such that, none. It should be this one. That is why I use this middle finger because I not touch this. Alex, mimik ka. Level Lex ta. And then, the fatness is year 2022. It is year 2025 already. It is not on slim. Na on mimik ta. And then this one. This one is getting bigger. Fat. Minimal is my breathing. So I need to lose weight. I need to be slim, to have a slim body. Ako na yan, the talks. What about in here? This finger of myself, year 2024, I notice it tends to, such as goma, the effect of goma, effect of plastic, rubber, it tends to fat. I not know, year 2024 that is, when I slap my ear in here. Now it is on natural length, a natural fat. It is not usually natural flat. It is more on flat. This portion, no. This portion is such this. I will do exercise if myself is already could not feel fever. I feel fever. I could not do exercise. But I not drink biogesic. I could feel my body is on heatness. And then I will talk. What else could I say? Is this good to talk about? On myself, I will put it on lock on YouTube. But is it good to talk about? I think so. It is such as I am such this April 11, 2025, and then my face is such this. Later I will have meeting. I will have phone interview. I feel shy. Me too. So I will now end my camera video 30 minutes and 31 minutes. I, Mrs. Conianta lang yung magnahay ka ng sa General Kanyang as Mrs. Conianta lang yung magnahay ka sa the first. Kanian. 31 minutes and 13 seconds.